So, a week later, after being admitted to the hospital, I need to go to hospital again tomorrow. And I had the privilege to work from home today because, in preparation for all the tests that needs to be done tomorrow, you've guessed it, I needed to be very close to the bathroom, and working from the office would have been not a good idea. So, my question to you is, are you working for a boss that doesn't give you an inch? Somebody that does not have any flexibility, someone that does not give you a raise and does not give you a promotion, even if you worked extremely hard this year. That is why I love DealPoint. It does not just give me the opportunity to build an asset-based recurring income and growing my income, but it also gives me more freedom. So if you are sick and tired of being worked tired to the bone for somebody that does not appreciate you, if you are tired of not making ends meet, or if you are just interested in starting your own business or a new business, contact me 062 175 0825, and I promise to send you the information that got me started.